Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to pair to a call and end a call on a Powerbeats 3 wireless. So let's begin. Hold the power button. Since the Beats were already connected to this phone, I just have to hold it for 2 seconds until the white light comes on. So once it's paired to my phone, I'm gonna go ahead and call my phone. It's accepting the call. I'm gonna go ahead and accept it. It's gonna be on speaker at first. So in order to connect the Powerbeats to the phone, you're gonna have to press the audio button and select Powerbeats 3. And now you can pick up the Powerbeats 3. And now it will be working. To disconnect the call or end the call, go ahead and press the center pause play button on the Powerbeats 3 and it should end the call. And that is how you end and connect to a call on a Powerbeats 3 wireless. Thanks for watching, guys.